In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DLL file missing in Windows 11. Fix today here. Let's begin. Start by right-clicking the Start button and selecting Terminal with Administrator Access. In the terminal window, type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and press Enter. This command scans and repairs the Windows system image, which can fix missing or corrupted DLL files. Wait for the process to finish, then type sfc/scano and press Enter. This will scan your system for corrupted files and automatically restore them. Once the verification reaches 100%, you can close the terminal. If the issue still persists, move on to the next step. Open your browser, search for DirectX Download, and select the official Microsoft website. Download the installer, then open the file and follow the installation steps. This helps restore missing DLL files related to graphics and gaming components. If the error is still not fixed, search for the specific missing DLL file online and download the correct version that matches your system, usually 64-bit. Once downloaded, extract the zip file. Next, open File Explorer, click View at the top, go to Show, and make sure Hidden Items is checked. Then navigate to this PC, go to Local Disk C, open the Windows folder, and then open System32. Copy the extracted DLL file and paste it into the System32 folder. After that, go back to the Windows folder and open syswow64. Then paste the same DLL file there as well. Finally, restart your computer to apply the changes. After following these steps, the missing DLL error should be resolved and your application should run normally again. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.